Welcome back. In this video, I'll briefly cover ARP and DNS poisoning. I'd like to begin by going over the function of the address resolution protocol. Layer 2 switches store MAC addresses of all network devices. In order for these devices to communicate with Layer 3 routers, which use IP addresses, ARP resolves MAC addresses to IP addresses. ARP poisoning is a man-in-the-middle attack on a local area network. An attacker will poison the ARP cache, which disassociates devices' MAC addresses from their IP addresses. This results in each victim sending all traffic to the attacker's computer. Eventually, the attacker will attempt to take over a user session, which is session hijacking. Now, for administrators, there are some prevention methods. We can use static ARP, as well as anti-ARP tools such as Netcut, and of course always using modern, up-to-date switches. Now the next poisoning attack I'd like to cover is a DNS poisoning. DNS servers resolve websites' fully qualified domain names, or FQDNs, into their associated IP addresses. Attackers will poison the DNS cache, which results in disassociating the domain names from their IP addresses. When a user attempts to go to Facebook, they would then be redirected to a fraudulent website. Typically, these fraudulent sites will contain some type of malware. Now, it's important to differentiate between DNS poisoning and pharming. While what I just described being DNS poisoning is the attacker disassociating the correct host name from its correct IP address, the result of that being redirected to a fraudulent website is the pharming. Now, I hope you found this video informative, and thank you for listening.